and then so more quite be maybe I better kwan abefa so a design packaging of way chips, how to design packaging of chips. So you need little default way no about puzzle up on the so now you can set a size 1,200 pesos and 1,700 pesos. Good. So when you something like this, when your background like this, you can pick color my background. So this color. Good. Now import to materials in the anything I may use to have I may leave this description box to which me I select it the any resources be I may use to be an may leave amount. So first one for a plenty young coffee. Select another one. American resizing good. Locking me in. You go add it another in fact a pepper mechanism or a chili the makuba. Yes, one size number from Kakra. Good. Now so you unlocking. Okay, we are done with this aspect. Then go ship and select a square. I increase it, reduce. Yes, reduce. 60 cry okay. Chamesha to top one. Name and color. Color I unlock here and so okay. Making sure say you be position I'm at that middle. Good. I am middle. So this is what we are coming to write. Everybody test. Yeah, but edit. Test no. Look at tester. About sweet. Then resize na kakra. You can choose font. You can copy font man. Font. Go my font. There. Load. Good. And then come on. I hope so will follow. Unlock no. Then go test. Edit. chips. In the board like this. You can select the font. My font. This is the font I will use. I hope say you follow step by step. Resizing the kakra on your board. To man in the middle, so position. And color now. So after this, after here and what save. We save. Just save this image. Call background. You save background on some coin. I'm finding into. So let's save the background. Save the background. So we are done with Pixellab. This is the app you're editing. So we call iPhone. No, I can select it. Picture. No. Here we are. This is how it looks like. App with the normal be so many things. But for now, it will be useful for editing. Your brand, you will blend image. You will blend image. So you will cut. Now you will select it from gallery. Then go recent. Then go select it. The package, So you have select it. This design. If you select it, not waba down her. Wabe select it. Add photo. To add photo, so now you have select a design. This is the design. Boss one about add. So add you can find it to some resizing. Resizing. I hope so you follow. I hate Tech Pro GH. Wait me follow on Facebook. Tech Pro GH. YouTube so Tech Pro GH. And after her no about down her. I will select the blend. I select it now about overlay. I select it overlay. What about this mark? Boss wa yes yako ba down wa ne add photo. Select your background. Add. So resizing. Resizing like this. Yanko blend. Overlay. I hope so you follow steps, The High Tech Pro GH. You see how we do it. Yes, no about this mark. Now I say add photo. Add photo. I select the background now about add. Camera top wa. Enlarge no kakra. Resize no kakra. Blend. Select the overlay. We are done. I was in the potato chips correct. So the first time I subscribe mommy Tech Pro GH or Facebook Tech Pro GH or YouTube. And that's the same way do that. To bob mark na about save about this type I do about save. Let's choose the first one about save. And one no why we. This is the simplest way. Because so I show me videos these videos now. That's on our boss. So I trying to how to design another product. That's the so I share with you at this time. Thank you.